How to program the TX7300 Sounder Strobe using the TX7932 handheld programmer. Connect to terminals 1 and 6 on the device. Press 1 to read. This shows the current device address, tone setting, and unique ID. Press 3 for our /W config. Here you will find 3 key settings. First, choose 3 for single or for dual operation, depending on your system's requirements for evacuation and alert addresses. Second, for current, choose 5 for typical mode at 15 mA default, or 6 for power saving mode at just 9 mA. Third, to enable both the strobe light and the sound, you must select option 7 for strobe and option 8 for sounder. This is the default setting. Press right to save. To change the audible tone, return to the main menu and press for to set tones. Enter the tone code required for your application. The device has 16 tones for the alarm and 1 for the pre-alarm. Finally, to assign a new address, press 2. Enter the desired 3-digit address and press right to save.